What up, y'all? So we're back with the Mustang. I'm about to go ahead and change the oil, but before I get to all of that, I just had some wires over here. So some of these were a little chewed up and looking a little iffy. So since it was in a spot where I can actually see it and notice it and all of that, I figure I'll go ahead and just cut out these spots that's chewed up and ripped up, and just put some new wire in place. So just to fix a problem before it comes up later and ends up being a real problem. So just getting that out the way, and then I'm gonna move this thing and put some fresh oil in it. So we got this up. I'm gonna go ahead and find this drain pan. Actually, it hadn't been under here yet. So plug is right the finger. Here we go. Drain pan. So I'm gonna go ahead drain this. I got a container somewhere. I think it's in the trunk. But I'll go ahead and drain this, and it's sliding under here. Oil filter is right here. So drain it, get the filter off, and it'll be time to refill it. And radiator holding up good. It was missing a mount on this side, so I just bought some rubber. I think it was like some shock mounts or something. So kind of got them with some RTV around them to kind of keep them still to set in place, but it's looking like it's gonna hold it right. So it had the mount on that side, just was missing one over here, and nobody sold the mount. So I can get one, I can order it, but nobody locally had one ready. So that'll get me by until I get a new one and slap that in there. So that's nothing. But let me go ahead and find some tools and get this oil changed. And I might change the brakes while I got it up. So I don't know, maybe. I got another car coming through later today, so if I get the oil done before they get here, I'll probably go ahead and swap these brakes. But I'll be back. A few turns of the 13mm bolt, and we got oil. So super brown, but it's coming out. So I'll just let this finish draining, and then put the plug back on, the drain plug, and take off this old filter, which is, you can see it better from up here. So the old filter is right down there. So there you go, the blue filter. So once they finish draining, I'll take this filter off. You'll need a filter wrench. So one of these, what is this, part number 4221. There we go. So need you one of those. This is the oil filter that's going on there, and just some regular 5W30, nothing special. So finish letting this drain, and then close it up, put some more oil in it, and we'll see what we got. Filter is out. This was actually super easy. Like, it was like, I don't know, half a twist with the actual wrench, and then it was loose. But you can see, can you see? Yeah. That's where it came from. So, time to slap this new one on. I already got the drain plug back on, tightened up. When you get ready to put the new filter on, just make sure you put a little bit of oil on your finger and this little rubber piece, the seal or whatever. Just make sure you put a little bit of rubber, a little oil around that too. So once you twist it on, the seal will keep twisting instead of snagging up against the part of the motor. And then you end up with no seal and an oil leak. So put a little oil on that, and then twist it back up there. Just tighten this up. Like I was saying, it's easier to just reach this from up here. So like, I could reach the wrench and tighten it from up here. Same way I loosened it from up here too. So if you don't feel like being on the ground the whole time, you can reach it from up this way. and it works. So, and you just kind of gotta tap this little thing to get it off. See, I might poke it with a screwdriver or tap it with this ratchet. There we go. So that's off. Oil filter is tight. Drain plug is tight. And now I just gotta fill it up. And alright, so yeah, that fell in there. But yeah, it's time to fill it up and let it run. And yeah, that's it for the oil change. So quick work. So, oil change is done. I'm gonna get these brakes later because got a new project just got dropped off. So this is getting wrapped in this color. Let's see. So yeah, this Tiffany blue. So stick around for that.